Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Roofstock to buy rental homes step by step clearly. Visit the Roofstock website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill out your email address and create a secure password. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click on Create Account to proceed. Check your email for a verification link from Roofstock. Click on the link to verify your email address. Once verified, log into your new Roofstock account. Complete your profile by providing details such as your name and location. Select your investment preferences, including budget and investment goals. Explore the available rental homes on the platform. Use filters to narrow down properties based on price, location, and property type. Click on a property to view detailed information, including photos and rental estimates. Review the investment analysis provided for each property. If you're interested in a property, click on the Make an Offer button. Enter your offer amount and any contingencies you wish to include. Review and confirm your offer details. Submit your offer for consideration. Monitor your email for updates regarding your offer status. Once your offer is accepted, follow the instructions for the next steps in the buying process. This includes providing additional documentation and setting up financing if needed. Be prepared for an inspection of the property, which may be arranged by Roofstock. Review the inspection report and decide if you want to proceed. Finalize your purchase by signing all necessary documents. Transfer the funds required for closing. After closing, you will officially own the property. Begin managing your rental home or consider using Roofstock's property management services. Enjoy your investment journey with Roofstock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.